Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file for disability benefits. First, understand the two primary programs, Social Security Disability Insurance, or SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. SSDI is for those with a work history, while SSI is needs-based. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as medical records, employment history, and personal identification. You can apply conveniently online, by phone, or by visiting a local Social Security office. Now, let's complete your application. It is crucial to provide comprehensive details about your medical condition and how it limits your ability to work or perform daily activities. List all healthcare providers, including doctors, hospitals, and clinics, along with their contact information. Accuracy is key. Any missing or incorrect information could delay your claim by several months, so take your time. After submission, your application moves to a state agency for a thorough medical review. A disability examiner will carefully evaluate all your medical evidence to determine if your condition meets the Social Security Administration's definition of disability. This process usually takes between 3 and 5 months, though some cases may be resolved more quickly. You will receive a written notice of the decision. If your initial application is denied, do not be discouraged. You have 60 days from the date of the denial letter to request a reconsideration. There are 4 levels of appeal: reconsideration, a hearing before an administrative law judge, review by the Appeals Council, and finally, federal court review. Many individuals find success and are approved during the reconsideration or hearing stages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.